Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the live video or live control room. You must be on the actual player. Once there, scan the player Chrome for the CC icon or the gear settings. If you are the streamer, make sure you're signed into the channel that's broadcasting. As a viewer, you can toggle captions immediately. As the broadcaster, you may need to access stream settings first. Now click the CC icon or the gear to begin disabling captions. This is the first actionable step. Once you open the subtitles/CC menu, choose off to stop the on-screen captions immediately. If captions are auto-generated, select the auto-generated option and switch it off. If they are uploaded captions, choose none. Make sure to confirm the change. Some players require an extra click. If you're the broadcaster, go to YouTube Studio's live control room, open stream settings, and disable captions from there so future segments won't auto-generate. To finish, refresh the player and rejoin the live stream. Captions should no longer appear. If they still show, try clearing your browser cache and disabling any caption or accessibility extensions. Those can force subtitles. Also check system-level live captions in Chrome or Android settings because those override the player. If you're the broadcaster and viewers still see captions, recheck the live control room settings and stop the caption feed. One key troubleshooting tip: disable browser/OS captions first, then refresh the stream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.